Oh, what?
There are a lot of AI app builders right now. Lovable, Replit, all promising that you can build an app with a single prompt. And vibe coding as a concept isn't new anymore. But Google AI Studio does something the others don't. It lets you plug in Google's own AI capabilities and build apps powered directly by Gemini, Nano Banana, VO3, and more. Native Google AI integration. This is a differentiator. So instead of just generating code, you're composing an AI stack. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works.
Here we are in Google AI Studio, and these tiles are the whole magic. Each tile is a Google AI capability you can turn on, and it gets automatically wired into your app. So, for example, for this app, I want fast AI responses, I want a Gemini intelligence, I want to generate images with Nano Banana. This is going to be for the thumbnails, video understanding, and this is going to help me find the important timestamps. And then this is the prompt I'm going to use. Create a YouTube LaunchKit generator app. User uploads a video file. The app analyzes the video to extract key moments and themes. Then it generates a creative thumbnail using Nano Banana Pro, an SEO title and description, timestamp chapters, social captions for multiple platforms. I do post to Instagram and TikTok, and then suggested short form clips and show all the results in a card layout. Let's build it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and select a YouTube video, a raw YouTube video file. We'll go with this one right here. This is the episode I did on creating music with AI. So that's been uploaded. Okay, so this is the result based on the raw video file that I uploaded where I used AI to create an EDM artist and a song. So the first part here is a thumbnail for YouTube. Obviously, this guy does not look like me at all, but we can tweak the prompt a little bit and get my likeness a little bit closer. But anyways, you can see that it's created a thumbnail for the YouTube video based on the content, and also created a title here. And if you want, you can generate a new one and also increase the resolution on the thumbnail. The next sections are titles. So it comes up with 5 different titles that you can choose from for your YouTube video. And then also a description that you can copy and paste into your YouTube video, which should be optimized for SEO. And then it actually analyzes the full video and pulls the key moments and attaches timestamps to them. You can also use these suggested short clips if you're trying to reduce the YouTube video down to a shorter piece of content, short form video for Instagram and TikTok. And then we also have the social captions here. So it has social channel specific captions for Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok.